To begin your voice recording, you're going to click this button. The time starts immediately. Jennifer Vadney. When you're done, turn it off. You do have a button to listen. If you like it, keep it. If not, you can redo it. To get the correct link, press Save and Share. And you can see we have lots of options here. Many people are familiar with this option, copy link. However, I suggest not using this one. You'll see that lots of ads pop up on this version. So what I suggest is clicking embed. You'll get embed code. And for the embed code, you really just need this section right here between the quotes. Let me do that one more time. Copy it, and I'll paste it out here. Okay, so this is the link that you're going to use, and I will show you what that looks like. It's definitely a much neater, very bright green, but no ads. The next step is to create your email signature. When you're in Outlook, click the settings gear and select compose and reply. You could also search for email signature, and it will also take you to the compose and reply page. Make sure that you name your signature. And then in this space, you can customize what you want your signature to be. You can upload images as well as put in hyperlinks. When it's time to add the link, click the icon and enter in the text that you want to display and the link. You can see that the link has the word embed in it. That's the correct link to use. Select OK. In order for your signature to show up automatically when composing an email, you do have to select it. But first, click Save, and now the option is there. Now when you compose new emails, your signature is already there, and then recipients can click on that hyperlink to hear the pronunciation of your name.